Now for everybody's favorite segment of the program, a visit by my wife, Jean Edelman. Jean, a student of the healing arts, Reiki, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, acupuncture, and of course, macrobiotic and plant-based cooking. Here's Jean.
It's great to be here. Thank you so much. Today I wanted to talk about being connected. Is anyone watching the National Geographic program Welcome to Earth, hosted by Will Smith? I love it. Rick doesn't. But I just watched this segment that they were explaining how oxygen is created on our planet and how connected and dependent we are on every corner of the earth for our survival. It is amazing. If you get a chance, watch the series. Every breath we take starts in a desert in Africa. It's an amazing series, and I do encourage you to watch it. It is just a great reminder of how we need each other. We're all a human species on this planet, and we bring so much to the world. We really, really need to understand how connected and special we are. And we need each other, and we're all one human species on this planet, and we each bring so much to the world. We are each connected and each very special. We have value, and if we stop and spend time together, we will see and find that common thread that we know somebody, or we've been to the same place, or we like the same foods, or we like the same movies or TV shows. But we're connected, and we just need to spend enough time together. It helps us to stop judging, to stop imposing ourselves on others. Because when we find that common thread and we find that we have something in common, we give each other the space we need when we do need to figure things out. Because life is really about learning and making the mistakes so that we can improve and get stronger and better. And the other thing that drives me crazy is deadlines, because we are all rushing around. And when you watch this series, you just see how nature just evolves. It just takes its time. We've created all these self-imposed deadlines. I would love for us to slow down, connect, have more realistic timing, goals, objectives. Learn how to make the small changes that we need in our everyday life. Connecting the dots to our health, our environment, our food. It's so important. And just being able to stop and look around, we can see how connected we are. And so, my word of the week is connect. C is for capable. We are all capable to accomplish anything we set our minds to. O is for opportunity, being prepared and open when those opportunities arise, staying open-minded and ready. N is for nourish. That's one of my other favorite words. Our minds, our bodies, our positive, healthy thoughts, food, people, nourish that in our life. N is for navigate. Navigate. Life is a fun puzzle, and not all the pieces are there when we need them to be. So being nimble, being able to make the changes when needed, keeps us moving in the right direction. And E is for earth. As we respect ourselves and others, we need to respect this amazing planet. Watch this show. Plant a tree, be in the garden, be in nature. Appreciate all the plants and animals, large and small. C is for create. We create the world we want to live in. So let's focus on kindness and gratitude and not take anything or anyone for granted. T is for time. You know what? Time is finite. Let's focus on the moments and making them joyful. Focus on the people and the projects that bring us joy, happiness, and contentment. Have a great day.